Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to create a bubble chart in LibreOffice Calc. A bubble chart lets you visualize the relationships between 3 or more variables. In the video description there's a link to a good overview of the do's and don'ts of bubble charts. Have a look at the two tables. They list the sales figures of 2 cities in 6 years. The bubble chart we will build will show you 4 different variables in a 2-dimensional diagram. The x-axis will show the years, the y-axis the number of items sold, the bubble size will represent the revenue, and the bubble color will show the sales location. Let's get started. Mouse over the data in the first table. In the main toolbar, click on Insert Chart. Note that a new context-dependent toolbar opened. We will need it later. Select Bubble in the chart wizard. Click on Next and then select Data Series. Click on Bubble Sizes and then on the small rectangle next to Range for bubble sizes. Mouse over the third column of the first table. The selected range will transfer to data ranges. Next, select X values. Click on the small rectangle again and transfer the first column's data to the range for X values. Select Y values and copy the second column's values to the range for Y values. Click on Finish to see the first set of data. Let's add the second data set. Double-click somewhere on the chart to open the aforementioned chart toolbar. Select Data Ranges and the tab Data Series in the pop-up menu. Click on Add, select Bubble Sizes, click on the small rectangle and mouse over the third column's data. Do the same for the X values and Y values. Click on Finish to see the result. Let's add a title, a subtitle, and labels for the X and Y axis. As usual in LibreOffice, there are different ways to achieve the same effect. We will use the chart toolbar's titles icon. Click on Titles and fill in the main title Shoe Sales and the subtitle Berlin and Heidelberg. The labels for the x-axis will be year and for the y-axis pairs sold. Click on OK. To change the names in the legend, click on Data Ranges again. In the upcoming menu, click on the first data set and then on Name. Click on the small rectangle and then on the name in your table. Do the same for the second data set. To please the eyes of the observer, you can edit many of the chart's elements. Choose what you want to edit in Select Chart Element and then click on the slider button. The pop-up windows will show what you can change. Before we end our video, I want to show you another bubble chart where the bubbles do not march in lockstep. Depending on the data, the charts will look wildly different. On this note, our video about creating a bubble chart concludes. If you found it useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.